Greetings, my fellow Americans and participants from all around the world. I've decided to finally do it. I'm going to give you my secret recipe for meatballs. I might regret it tomorrow, but here we go. Let's do it before I change my mind. So, meatballs. What do you want when you make meatballs? You want a nice, juicy meatball. So, what is the first thing that most people do? Well, they put eggs in it. Here's the thing. Eggs should be nowhere near a meatball. Let me show you how to put together a proper meatball. Alright, so let's get right into this recipe. Here is our beautiful ground beef. Alright, we'll kind of fluff that up here. Now let's take a nice little smell. I've done hundreds of cooking classes and you'll be surprised how many people don't smell their ingredients before they use them. Alright, that's step one. Smell your ingredients. Make sure they're fresh. Alright, now, we want to make these flavorful. So, I like to use adobo seasoning for a lot of things, mainly because it has powdered salt, and powdered salt permeates through the meat really, really quickly. Secret number two. Weber makes a really kickin' spice called kickin' chicken. And I gotta tell you, this thing is the best thing for meatballs. Okay, it's a little bit spicy. It's got just the right combination of ingredients. Weber kickin' chicken. So now that we got our spices in there, now we're going for the body. So when you make a meatball, the final product should be smooth and moist. So you want to put some Italian style breadcrumbs into the mixture. If you put just protein alone, it's going to be too dry. So you got to put some carbohydrates in there. And Italian style breadcrumbs. Why Italian style? Well, I don't know, isn't everything Italian style just the best? I wonder if in Italy they have like American style things, like American style breadcrumbs. Vincenzo, get the good stuff, the American style is the best. Alright, we'll add some of those in there. Now, what are we gonna do? This is too dry. This is the part where usually you'd put in an egg and make the whole thing super dry when you're done cooking it. Here's the secret. Heavy whipping cream. And I think if you watch a lot of my videos, you're gonna start to see that my secret ingredient for a lot of things is just adding a whole bunch of fat to it. Okay, so we got heavy whipping cream and we're gonna put that in here. And that is gonna make a really juicy, silky, moist meatball. Okay, let's start smushing this up. I believe that's the technical term. We'll do some good smushing. Alright, and you'll notice I don't really measure a lot of things because cooking is like drawing. You just kind of get to it and do it. And usually it's going to turn out good. Alright, so if this is too soft and too mushy, well, we just add a little more breadcrumbs, that's all. And if it was too dry, well, we just add a little more cream, that's all. Alright, so we mix this together till it's all incorporated. The thing that I can't live without, a sheet pan with parchment paper. And we're just gonna hand form these meatballs. Just like that. And now you stick these into a preheated oven at 400 degrees. Alright, these only took 15 minutes in the oven. Okay, now if we cut one of these open, you can see right away. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but trust me, take my word for it. These are so smooth and moist. Definitely not dry, but they are really hot. So, man, this looks so good. I want to taste it, but I know I'm going to burn my tongue, but you know what? Here we go. Guys, you have got to try this recipe. You will never go back to cooking meatballs any other way ever again. I guarantee it. And FYI, You can use this same recipe for meatloaf. It'll turn out amazing. I guarantee it. These are perfect with some fresh tomato sauce. Some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And some parsley and tarragon just to give it a little bit of color. Alright guys, now you have it. My secret recipe for delectable, juicy meatballs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Your subscriptions help me spend more time making videos for you. And also, don't forget to give it a like. Alright guys, I'm gonna go eat some meatballs.
Peace out.